Hey guys, so right now I'm going to be showing you how you can set up spreadsheets inside of Zapier so that when your AIR agent calls people and it performs actions, Zapier does not send duplicate actions to your prospects. So they won't get 2 text messages or 2 emails because you don't want that. It's going to look like spam and your prospects are not going to be happy. So the first step here is you're going to go to My Drive. You have to make sure that when you make this spreadsheet, it's from your drive and not from your spreadsheet directly. And there's a reason for that. I'll show you that later. But first you're going to press Google Spreadsheet right here. I'm just going to name this Send Book a Calling Prospects. Right? Now the only title you need here is phone. That's it. That's all you need. Yes, once you have your phone there, that's perfect. Now you're going to go over to Zapier. And you want to make sure you already have a webhook set up here. I have another video on how to do that and set up actions in general, so I'll link that right at the top right over here. But once you have that set up, you want to go to you want to make sure that you have records. But you get records by calling up AIR and testing the webhook. Once you have a record, then you can move on. You cannot do this until you test your webhook. Test it, please. Okay, so then you move on and you press Google Sheet. So with the event, you scroll down and you press Look Up Spreadsheet Row. Continue. You sign into your account right here. Continue, and then My Drive. Send Book a Calling Prospect. So right here, this pulls the spreadsheet from your drive, not from spreadsheet like sheets.com. So you want to make sure that you do it like that. Your worksheet, sheet 1, lookup column, phone, lookup value. This is why you had to test the webhook before, because now the lookup value is going to be phone instead of having to just type in a phone number, because that's not going to work. You can ignore these, scroll down, and then this needs to be yes, because should this step be considered a success when nothing is found? So when nothing is found, that means their number is not already found in your spreadsheet, so they're a new prospect. Then it sends the message, right? So then you're not going to get duplicates, because as soon as it sends a message, it's going to add them to the spreadsheet. And if it sees them in the spreadsheet, it won't send another message. So that's kind of everything works. Now you press Create Google Sheet Spreadsheet if they don't exist, because if they don't exist, you have to add them there so that they won't get sent a double message later. So phone, once again, I'm going to add that in there. And that should be it. That's good. So then continue. Test step. Perfect. So it said false because I wasn't in there before. Now, as you can see, I am in there. But if we go back over here, there's a 1 there, but there's no plus. As you can see, it gets rid of it. So you have to do is you have to go back to Sheets, you have to go up to Action, come down here, and you want to put a little apostrophe just like that. What that does is when I press Continue now, so I'm already in there, but normally what that would do is, as you can see, if I press +1 917204284, and I go like that, it just takes away the plus. But if I do this, 917-284, then it keeps the plus. So you want to make sure that you do that so that the plus doesn't get messed up, because it has to be there. Okay, so now we're going to make our way down to the paths. Now in this path I have, as you can see, if the action exactly matches Send Book a Call link, then it's going to send them an email. So right now I'm going to add and if Lookup Spreadsheet Row in Google Sheets, Zap Data Found exactly matches false, I'll just put false, then so if the data found exactly matches false, which means it is not already in there, and the action exactly matches Send Book a Call link, then it will send them the email. So that will make sure they don't get 2 emails. So I'm going to press Continue. And perfect. So it works. Now if I retest it, perfect. And continue. So that's how you set everything up, guys. I hope that helped you. And as always, I'd really appreciate if you sign up to AIR with the link in my description. You'll be able to get priority servers, which means most people are going to be here. You're going to be in this line. You have the fast pass, the easy pass. You're going to be able to get your campaigns out much quicker. And you're also going to get early access to new beta features. And it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Have a good one.